Hi, I'm Samuel and I'm going to show you how to make pineapple juice in this video. To make pineapple juice, you need the following ingredients. You need pineapple, ginger, and lemongrass. I have to start by washing and peeling the pineapple. I wash the ginger and peel the two, then cut both of them. After that, you have to make sure that you put the pineapple and ginger and lemongrass inside pot like this, and then divide it into quantities like this in case of large amounts. The next step is to squash the pineapple very well so that the juice will come out. Now the next step is to boil the pineapple. You need to heat it up in a so that you boil. After that, you sieve your pineapple juice, and now the pineapple juice is ready to be served. Feel free to refrigerate it and enjoy yourself with the pineapple juice.